Now see question number 25, forfeiture of share issued at par. In question number 25, it is said X Limited was registered with an authorized capital of 2 lakh share of 10 each. It purchased assets of Y Limited for rupees 3 lakh and issued fully paid up shares for purchase consideration. It also invited application of 1,20,000 share payable as under 2.50 on application, 2.50 on allotment, 2 on first call, 3 on final call. Sarkar, who had been allotted 400 shares, failed to pay final call. That means he is unable to pay his call money, that is final call money. His shares were forfeited and reissued at 8.50 per share as fully paid up. So here the share are issued at 8.50. The actual value of share was 10 and it is reissued at 8.50. That means it is reissued at discount. Pass entries in cash book. Now see the solution for it. So first we will pass the entry for purchase of assets, which is purchased by X Limited. So first entry will be building account debit to vendor or Y, because we are purchasing in assets of Y Limited. So building to vendor or assets to Y, rupees 3 lakh. So first entry is related to purchase of assets. Then it is said that to vendor instead of cash we are issuing share. So for that entry will be vendor account or Y account debit to share capital. We are issuing the share of rupees 3 lakh to the person, that is Y or vendor. Now these are the two entry for purchase of assets from them and giving them share for that. Now come to the later part of the question, that is they invited application of 1,20,000 share and 1,20,000 application were received. So bank account debit to share application and application money was of 2.5. That means 1,20,000 into 2.5, that is 3 lakh rupees. So bank to share application 3 lakh. Then this amount of application is to be transferred to capital account, share application account debit to share capital with rupees 3 lakh. These application amount is transferred to capital. Now we will due the allotment money and allotment was of 2.5 also. So share allotment to share capital, similar as application, 1,20,000 into 2.5, that is 3 lakh rupees. After doing the allotment, we will receive the allotment money, that is bank account debit to share allotment with rupees 3 lakh, because there is no arrear of allotment. We have received full amount. Then we will do the first call and first call was of rupees 2. So 1,20,000 into 2, that is 2,40,000. 1,20,000 into 2, 2,40,000. Share first call to share capital. First we will do it, then we will receive bank account debit to share first call 2,40,000. We have received first call, but in the question it was said that second call, on second call the person is unable to receive on 400 share. So first of all we will do the second call, share final call to share capital. It is of rupees 3, that is why we have received, we will be doing 1,20,000 into 3, that is 360. 1,20,000 into 3, that is 3,60,000 we have to receive. But a person holding 400 share unable to pay, so there will be a calls in arrear in the amount. So entry for that will be bank account debit. Entry for that will be bank account debit, calls in arrear account debit to share final call. There is a calls in arrear of rupees 400 into 3, that means a person Sarkar is not able to pay his final call on his share, that is 400 into 3, that is 1,200. He is unable to pay. So we have to receive 3,60,000. In that we are not able to receive 1,200. So the amount which will be receiving will be 3,58,800 we have received in the bank. Now he was unable to pay, so director decided to forfeit his share. So we will do the entry for the forfeiture. So as I have told you the entry for the forfeiture, so we will do it, share capital account debit and the amount which is not been received, that is to share final call, and the amount which we will be seizing, that is share forfeiture account. So total share capital in that we are forfeiting 400 share and the actual called up value was 10. So 400 into 10, that will be 4000, and the amount which he is not able to pay was 400 into 3, that is 1200, which he is unable to pay, and the amount which we are forfeiting, which we are seizing, is 400 into 7 because he had paid application, allotment and first call. So that total amount will be forfeited. 400 into 7, that is 2800 we will be forfeiting. So this will be the entry for forfeiture. Share capital to share final call to share forfeiture. Share capital, the total amount which is to be received. Share final call, the amount which is not been received, and share forfeiture, which he is paid and which we are seizing, which we are forfeiting. After forfeiture, it is said that share were reissued. So for reissue, and it was reissued at 8.50, so we will reissuing at discount. So entry for reissue at discount is bank account debit, share forfeiture account debit for discount, and to share capital. In share capital, what will be the amount? Amount will be 400 into 10, the actual cost which is to be received, share capital, that is 4000. The amount of discount which we are giving is, because we are issuing at 850, 150 will be discount, so forfeiture will be 400 into 150, that is 600, and the amount on reissue which we are receiving is 400 into 8.50, that is 3400. So this will be the entry for reissue. Bank account debit, share forfeiture account debit to share capital. In share capital 4000, discount of 600, and we are receiving 3400. And at the last, there is an entry of transfer of forfeiture amount to the capital. And how much amount will be transferred? The total forfeited amount was 2800. From that 2800, we have given a discount of 600. We have adjusted 600. So from that 2800, we will adjust this discount 600, and the remaining amount, that is 2200, will be transferred to capital reserve. So share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve for transferring the amount into capital reserve. And how we will be transferred? The total amount of forfeiture minus discount is equals to the amount which we are transferred to capital reserve. If there is no discount was there, then we have transferred the full amount to the capital reserve. But when there is a discount, we have to adjust that discount from that forfeited amount, and then we have to transfer. So I hope this topic is clear, and try to do the next question I will be giving on your group. Thank you.